In an election, Mr. Kamal got 156,720 votes and Mr. Abid got 158,986 votes. Who got more votes and how many more? In this question में आपसे कहते हैं कि इलेक्शन में मिस्टर कमाल ने 156,720 वोट्स हासिल किए और मिस्टर आबिद ने 158,986 वोट्स हासिल किए. Who got more votes? किसने ज्यादा हासिल किए? किसने ज्यादा वोट्स हासिल किए? And how many more? और कितने ज्यादा हासिल किए? ठीक है. So what should we do here? Yes, to find how many more we have to subtract. The statement is Mr. Kamal got votes equals to 156,720 and Mr. Abid got votes equals to 158,986. Here we have to find two things. Number one, who got more votes equals to question mark, and number two, how many more equals to question mark. Now the solution is answer number one. Who got more votes? किसने ज़्यादा votes हासिल किए students? Do you know who got more votes? Yes, इसका आंसर तो हम दोनों नंबर्स को देखकर ही बता सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसमें हमें कुछ सब्ट्रैक्ट या ऐड नहीं करना, बल्कि हम देखकर आंसर बता सकते हैं कि किसने ज्यादा वोट्स हासिल किए. सो who got more votes? Mr. Abid got more votes because Mr. Kamal has 156,000 and Mr. Abid has 158,000. So Mr. 158,000 is more than the 156. So Mr. Abid got more votes. And number two, how many more? Find how many more, we have to subtract both numbers. So first we write the greater number, second we write the smallest number, and then we have to subtract it and start from ones column. 6 minus 0 is 6. 8 minus 2 equals to 6. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. And 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So the answer is Mr. Abid got 2,266 more votes. Now another example, find the difference between the largest 4-digit number and the smallest